In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a secondary y-axis in Google Sheets. If you've ever tried to chart two very different kinds of numbers on the same graph, say a count of visitors around 10,000 and a conversion rate around 2%, you'll notice one of them is basically invisible. Let's see that problem and fix it quickly. Start by highlighting your table and going to Insert, then Chart. When the chart appears, take a look at the line for conversion rate. It likely looks flat at the bottom or hard to see. That's because Google Sheets is using a single vertical scale on the left for everything, and 10,000 completely overwhelms 2%, pushing the smaller values into a narrow band near zero. The solution is to give that percentage its own scale. In the Chart Editor panel on the right, click the Customize tab. This is where presentation settings live, separate from data selection. Expand the Series section to see options that apply to individual lines or bars. Open the Apply to All Series dropdown and select the series named Conversion Rate PS. If your series name is slightly different, choose the percentage-based series in your chart. Now scroll down to the Axis dropdown and change Left Axis to Right Axis. The moment you do that, a second vertical axis appears on the right side of the chart, and the conversion line jumps up to a sensible range. You can now read both metrics accurately. The left axis handles the large counts, while the right axis handles the small percentages. This doesn't change your data. It simply gives each series an appropriate scale so their trends are visible without distortion. A couple of quick pointers as you review the result. Make sure you selected only the percentage series for the right axis. Your count-based series should remain on the left so the chart remains intuitive. Clear column headers in your table make it easier to identify the correct series in the dropdown. And remember, the right axis is best used when the units are different, like numbers versus percentages, so viewers aren't misled by scales that hide important variation. Let's recap. Highlight your table and insert a chart. In the Chart Editor, open Customize, then Series. From the Apply to All Series dropdown, select Conversion Rate flower, scroll to Axis, and switch it from left axis to right axis. With that single change, your chart becomes clear, readable, and genuinely useful.